I'm T. Palmer with T. Palmer Agency, and we are here to kick off our Blueprint Tour in New York at the Classic Car Club. The theme is building connections, growing communities, strategic expansion, the how, the when, and the why. So come and join us.
This is awesome. I've never been to a space like this. I'm a big car nut.
Really interesting, fintech, insurance tech, some of the hot topics at the moment. So it's really good to catch the fireside chat with everyone.
To get to learn about people across different industries, this is the perfect place to do it, especially in the heart of New York City. And the beautiful part is that we're not only here, but across the globe.
We just finished up an amazing first conference of our Blueprint Tour at the Classic Car Club, and now we're at our Founders Dinner at Budokan with an amazing group, founders in the fintech and insurtech space, along with investors and VCs. So we're so glad that you're here with us.